guys, I'm Sherry. Today I would like to share with you this makeup look, especially this eye look that I put on today. So this will be a very short makeup clip just to introduce this eyeshadow palette with you guys, because I noticed that this is newly released in Singapore. So hence I would like to share with you the makeup look and how I actually apply this eyeshadow on my makeup. So the new product that I would like to share with you is actually this. This is the Cake Tokyo new eyeshadow palette. It's called the Dark Rose Shadow. I bought this when I'm in Japan last year in December. So the color I bought is PU-1. The color is more towards the greyish purplish color. The design of the eyeshadow palette is using the rose petal as the design to do the eyeshadow. So it's in gradient color from the lightest to the darkest purple. So it's more towards the shimmery kind of eyeshadow. The quality of their palette is really good, easy to blend, and you don't really need any makeup brushes to assist you. This is the color I bought. I only bought one, but they have a series of different colors which you may choose from there. Alright, this is the brief introduction of this eyeshadow palette, and now let's quickly move on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this short makeup clip that I share with you today. So again, please leave your comments below if there is any, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!